You don't even know what it tastes like. You don't even know what it tastes like. Where's the store? I know we ain't got all the way to dollars for it. Over. Look at your shoes. That was a dub. That was a horse. In NewBern last night, they had a pretty horse. That's a smiley face. That's a smiley face. I don't see it. It'd be cool to have his name stuck out fireworks. That would be wicked cool. Baseball. I saw it. What, did you see my face? No, I can't get my mess to do right. I take a video. I'm putting it on YouTube. Newbern fireworks are better than this. Just saying. And if you go big head in front of my camera, I'm gonna smack you.
You know what? I got canceled.
Oh, you're so smart, Kelly. So smart.
Ain't I though?
You're the smartest person I know, Kelly. JK. I just stole my phone from my pocket. I stole my phone from my pocket. Stole my pocket from my phone and then realized that I had it in my hand. I don't think it's going to be people ain't seen fireworks before because they going crazy.
Do you have my hand?
Now I do. Lauren, you're going on YouTube.
I told y'all we should fix
How do I do one straight now?
NewBern fireworks are 10 times better than this. And we're in Raleigh.
Of all places to be.
We could have went to Garner. No, never mind. We should have went to Garner.
What if Daddy
Got him
was
at
here
Perry.
with you?
Then this would be the. Then I'd be happy we were here. Lauren, what if he was?
He probably is.
No, he ain't.
How do you know? I mean, if
We should walk around and look.
He's from Garner.
I know, but beside Raleigh, it's a little bit past
He's
Raleigh.
traveling because he's on tour. They're on tour.
I gotta go see him.
They're going to be up here.
What?
He's supposed to be in Raleigh. Scotty and the rest of the island.
Did you hear that, Lauren? Ooh, what is here? What is here? What is
Not here.
You don't know that.
He's going to be at the RBC for sure.
I mean, right now?
No. When is he supposed to be here, Bonnie? Scotty McCreary has the Idol. Sometime in July.
I don't care about the rest of them. I just want to see Scotty's
If
potty
y'all
face.
bring his bag in July,
Yeah, you should do that.
It is July. Do you have the money?
Yeah.
I have $200.
I don't have nothing. Lauren pays my way in. It's worth it.
It might not be.
But would you rather see Cody Simpson or Scotty McCreary? Exactly.
Yeah, but Texas is not even close.
Ew.
He's going to be in Greenville.
Cody Simpson's younger.
He's going to be in
Cody
Greenville.
Simpson's only 14.
He's going to be in Greenville.
Let's quit having this conversation right now.
What if he blew up the moon?
Lauren! The moon's a million miles away, I think. Because it's so daggone bright.
That's hot.
It was a jacked up part. This one's pretty. I got like 10 text messages since I started recording this.
That thing you tied him